Good afternoon. Now we will discuss on the topic business organization for class 12. Difference between the tender and estimates. First, we know a tender. Tender is a written offer. Tender is a written offer that certain article and certain price and the certain terms state therein. Government, semi-government, big organization and business houses often invite tender for the performance of the particular acts. That is known as tender. Then we discuss estimates. And estimate is a written offer to carry out a certain work and certain price at the certain terms state there. Estimates is invited in respect of the construction work and not for commercial purpose, such as construction of the building and factories or undergo the estimates how many expense, how many material and how many times should be consumed for the performance of the such project. That is known as the estimates. But here the comparative study, or we can say many times ask the exam, what is the difference between tender and offer, estimates. Now we discuss both points on the basis of differences, and second is tender, then estimates. There, first is based on the object. What is the object of tender? Its object is supply goods. And the object of estimates help to the completion of work within certain time period. What is the difference? And second is based on price. When we discuss about the price quoted in the tender cannot alter. Quoted cannot be altered. That means one upon tender price is quoted, they cannot be altered. That is fixed during the project of completion that time. But in the estimate, actual cost of work can be more less than the price estimated. Actual price of work can be less or more than estimated. It can be increased or decreased, but in the case of tender, quoted price cannot be altered. Third is acceptance. We are talking based on the acceptance. What is the difference between tender and estimates? Once it has been accepted, it's bidding upon the persons making the offer. There is bidding and offer also the persons who accept the tender. But the estimates, it is mutually accepted by the both parties. Mutually accepted by both parties. That is necessary in the estimates. But tender, it is a bidding, that is offer making by the persons. Fourth point, based on the security. Some amount is deposited as a security. In the tender, some amount would be as security, but in that there is no necessary after deposit. No necessary for any type of deposit. That estimates. These are the basic differences, or many times asked in the board exam, what is difference between tender and estimates? On the basis of differences, based on the object, based on the price, based on the acceptance, and based on the security. Tender is supply by the goods, and estimate help to the completion of work within time, certain time, based on the price. Quoted price cannot be altered, but in the estimate, actual price can be less or more than the estimates. Acceptance, bidding, offer by acceptance the offers who provide the service, that is accept the tender, but in the estimate, mutually accepted by the both parties. Both parties agree on this. Then he creates the estimates and makes a tender. Last point is based on the security. Some amount would be as security deposit in the tender, but there is no any security deposit in the estimates. Now we come on the next point, that is means of sales. Means of increasing sales. Means of increasing sales. That means main objective of business is main objects of business is making profit. How make profit is the main object of every business. And where comes my profit? By sells the product or services. After sale and service makes the profit, and main object of the business is the making profit. Now, at this in this age, the cutthroat competition, many means are adopted to attract the customer. Every person want to how to attract the customer. Now a cutthroat competition means advertising are the means of increasing sales. Then we have need to advertising increase the our sales. Then we have need advertisement. Now we discuss advertisement. Advertisement is the play important role to increase the sales. Then we continue the next class. Thank you.